So hey guys, what's up? And today we are making a unboxing video. I'm sorry that I haven't made a video in a while, but I was busy, so didn't get to do that. But anyways, this is my first unboxing in the new year. I bought two new models off of 3000toys.com, and I'm gonna open the box. So I'm just gonna put it on. So I got two models, and one of the models I'll tell you what it is, but I won't tell you what it looks like. It is my first backhoe ever. So, and then there's one more model in here too. Well, okay, so I just opened the box. So, whoa. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, here's inside the box. So we rip the key on the side of the table. Okay, there it goes. So let's go with the back. Okay. So, yeah. So here's my first model. The Deere 310 SK, that's my backhoe. Wow, should have found one of these before. It's a 310 SK. John Deere, made by Ertl. Very nice model. So let's set that to the side real quick here. Just let the camera sit on that. And I've got one more model. What the? Oh. Gotta open the box the entire way. So, that was a really nice model. But I got, this wheel loader for a discount, my god. It dropped $100. Wow. There's my Motor Art New Holland W300C. Very nice model. Just let me check the box. Hey. Oh. So, there's my models. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and it's me here, and, hold on, let me show you. So, I bought this in Scratch and Dent for a great price, my god. Dropped $100, like I was saying. I don't know why, though. So there's that, and the 310 SK. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and it's me here, and I'm out. See you guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.